The speed skater with reach and hops is an excellent plyometric exercise that'll elevate your heart rate, improve balance, agility, and coordination. The additional hopping movement and reaching for your toes also intensifies the activation of your glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps. To get started, with an athletic hip width stance, slightly bend your knees, then bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle while lifting one foot, bending your knee and drawing it behind your other leg with your opposite elbow drawing back to get into a speed skater pose just like an Olympic athlete. Touch the top of your foot or the floor by your foot with your opposite hand, then complete 3 single leg hops while balancing on the same leg. Then explosively take a wide jump laterally and stick the landing on your opposite leg with your other leg hovering off the ground behind you. Immediately touch the top of your foot with your opposite hand, then complete another 3 single leg hops. Continue to repeat for reps or time. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.